to switch gears and get you some other news. A spot check in a police station in Mathura turned out to be a comedy show of sorts. An IPS officer found out that his team doesn't even know how to load their pistols. Yes, you heard that right. Listen in.
रोड की पोजीशन में बैठ जाइए। सारे लोगों के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, पिस्टल की भी मैगजीन उतार लीजिए। चैम्बर में कोई राउंड नहीं है। सारे लोग ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि चैम्बर में कोई राउंड नहीं है। ऐसे कैसे चेक कर रहे हो आप? सेफ डायरेक्शन किधर है? मेरी तरफ आप किए हो। अब आप लोग खोलिए जितना खोल सकते हैं आप। अपने असले खोलिए। पिस्टल वाले रुके रहेंगे अभी। 1 मिनट और समय दूंगा, उसके बाद आप सब फेल हो जाओगे। खोलिए असला, क्या खड़े हैं आप? बैठे हैं। ये शर्मनाक बात नहीं है। आप नीचे रखिए असला। क्या आप अपना खोल नहीं पा रहे हो पिस्टल? ये शर्मनाक नहीं है। ये तो मैगजीन ही लॉक है, जाम हो गया इसी में। खोला ही नहीं 6 महीने से इसको। क्या समस्या है? ये तो मैगजीन निकल गई। फिर यही जाम है इनका। क्या स्थिति है यार? कब से नहीं खोला है इसको? क्यों ये स्थिति बनी हुई है? बताइए, कहाँ जाम कर दिया?
और देहात के थानों का निरीक्षण करने का एक अभियान चला हुआ है। मेरे द्वारा पहले 5 थानों का वार्षिक निरीक्षण किया गया है। ये 6वां थाना है, थाना सुरीर। इसका आज मेरे द्वारा 5 पहलुओं पर असलहा, अनुशासन, आदमी, अभिलेख और आधुनिकीकरण, इन 5 मुख्य पहलुओं पर ये इस थाने का निरीक्षण किया गया है और बाकी का निरीक्षण अभी आगे भी प्रचलित है। तो जैसा कि आप लोग भी यहाँ पे मौजूद रहे और आपने देखा कि सबसे पहले असलहे का निरीक्षण किया गया। तमाम खामियां पाई गई, असलहे की साफ सफाई दुरुस्त नहीं पाई गई।
Well, my colleague Ignur Kaur joining us now for further details. This is shocking to say the least, Ignur. These cops in Mathura were caught not even aware of the fact that how to open the magazines of their pistols, how to basically operate the pistols that they've been carrying. How would they, confront a situation as grave as those that the Gurdaspur cops had to confront?
Yes, clearly, in fact, a very, very shocking incident, which really kind of reflects the caliber of these people who are, in fact, there to protect the people of the country, in fact. And it's actually quite shocking to also note that none of them, they all roam around with their rifles, in fact, everywhere. And they can't, tomorrow, if a situation arises, like the one, like you mentioned, in Gurdaspur, they'll not be able to, in fact, defend anybody or themselves either, because they clearly have absolutely no knowledge of how to, in fact, use their rifles as well. This is something that, in fact, higher authorities need to look into very seriously, because how is it that these cops are there in that position without even having the basic knowledge and being absolutely incapable of performing what is actually their duty?
And it's been a laughable scenario, Ignur, considering that the inspector there, who was there to inspect whether these people are trained enough or not, has been claiming that they didn't even, operate their pistols or remove the magazine, for that matter, for 6 long months, which is why the pistols have also stopped functioning. Half of them are jammed.
Well, I think more than this being a laughable situation, I think it's a very worrisome situation really for the country, because these people are there to defend us. And what if tomorrow a situation arises where they really need to use these pistols? They, in fact, these pistols should in fact be serviced from time to time, and these need to be checked as well, and they need to be given proper training lessons. And in fact, this is their duty. Technically, they cannot be standing in that position if they do not even know how to operate their pistols and rifles.
If you could just hold your thoughts, Ignur, I'm also joined by Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress. Ma'am, you've been the leader of the Congress Pradesh as well. What do you make of such cops in the city of Mathura, which is a tourist destination as well, and pretty much needs to be secure?
Well, I'm traveling. I haven't seen the footages, but if it is true, then it is really very surprising, and it's unbelievable. If a policeman cannot use his gun or his pistol, then it is, I think, they require dismissal, because there is a system in which they are taken for firing training and refresher courses. And if the courses have not been done, then the seniors have to be punished. If the guns are not functional, then obviously the entire administration is at fault. So I think we have to go to the real reason and the crux of the whole issue. But it is really unbelievable. Laughable is another word. But it's unbelievable because we depend on security from these guys. And if they can't use the pistol, their guns, and I don't know then what is the level of police management and security in this state.
Sure, ma'am. If you could just hold your thoughts, let's play out once, even for your knowledge of what exactly these people have been going through when there was an inspection on them. These Mathura cops, this is how they behaved. They didn't know how to operate their pistols. Let's just play it out.
रोड की पोजीशन में बैठ जाइए। सारे लोगों के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, पिस्टल की भी मैगजीन उतार लीजिए कि चैम्बर में कोई राउंड नहीं है। सारे लोग ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि चैम्बर में कोई राउंड नहीं है। ऐसे कैसे चेक कर रहे हो आप? सेफ डायरेक्शन किधर है? मेरी तरफ आप किए हो। अब आप लोग खोलिए जितना खोल सकते हैं आप, अपने हथेली खोलिए। पिस्टल वाले रुके रहेंगे अभी।
All right. In fact, I'm also joined by YP Singh, a former IPS officer, a lawyer, an activist, of course. Mr. YP Singh, how would you react to such a situation panning out in a tourist destination like Mathura? We know that, in fact, we at Newsix have done several stories on the lawlessness that still exists in Uttar Pradesh. Perhaps this is why, to an extent. But considering that terror threat is growing across the country, how can these cops not be trained to even handle basic pistols?
This is an undesirable situation, but this is something which is known to all. It is not surprising that they are unable to operate the weapons. In a police force of 2,000 people generally in a district, they are required to do annual firing practice. But generally the work commitments are so enormous that the policemen are not released to go and practice at the firing range with reference to the weapons. And lack of training, therefore, is accountable for that. And this is because of the overwhelming nature of work, and the staff is not spared for training activities.
But there needs to be a way out, because these people are also supposed to protect the city out of any kind of untoward scenario. Thank you very much, though, Mr. YP Singh, for joining us and sharing your thoughts on the story.